I thought the galaxy would never fall, until it did. That's when our story truly began.
Long before hope returned, there were whispers of an awakening. A master who refused to surrender, and a young apprentice who refused to run. And in the silence, something answered her. An ancient power, awakening after centuries of darkness.
I can feel it.
And then there's the one who never follows the rules. Even the smallest among us carried light into the dark. But the shadows, they rose too, and they were nothing like we imagined. And in that moment, she stopped running. The fear became something greater.
I am ready.
And the galaxy felt her rise. And he, the one who carried the light longest, chose to stand once more. But even the strongest light must face the darkest shadow. And she refused to fall. Some battles are won with courage and a little chaos. But hope can rise from anywhere, even when the sky itself begins to shake. Together, they fought for the dawn, and in the end, they stood united. Every hero starts somewhere. This is where you begin. MLM Lead Pro.